What a pleasure to be here with you all and to celebrate our innovative and caring Canadians. Individually, you have done so much to raise money or awareness for the Ottawa Hospital or to help with patients and families who are suffering through difficult times. Collectively, you have made this one of the premier healthcare institutions in Canada. For this, you should all be proud, and we are very proud of all of you. It's with this in mind that I'm so delighted to recognize 3 outstanding volunteers with the Caring Canadian Award in just a few moments. They've given back so much and gone beyond all expectations to make this place stronger. What's more, they're proven leaders, inspiring people to give and to do more. But let me not limit my praise there. All of you here have contributed to making this place better. In fact, I understand that the acquisition of one of the unique pieces of technology at this hospital, CyberKnife, was made possible entirely by community support. I do not need to tell you that medicine is moving at a rapid pace of advancement. It boggles my mind to think of the treatments I received for injuries in my youth, or the treatment my own children and now my grandchildren received, some of them right here at this hospital. We see a whole new frontier, and I'm fascinated to see how you are utilizing new techniques and technologies to speed up and enhance the recovery of your patients. One way you're doing this is with the Karen system, and I'm looking forward to seeing just how this relatively new technology is helping patients, including members of the Canadian Armed Forces, with their rehabilitation. The people of the National Capital Region, indeed everyone who receives treatment here, are so fortunate to have these resources at hand. It's here that volunteerism meets innovation, a pairing that leads to a stronger community and a smarter, more caring nation.